I'm inspired. I'm inspired.
Hey there guys, what's happening? My name is Sumit Chatterjee from the Flow Zone Academy, and I'm a flow state coach, which means that I help you feel better and perform better. Today I'm going to teach you how to get into the flow state just simply using a tennis ball. Okay? Now you can do a lot of things with this, and I think it's an incredible way to balance your hemispheres, to get you super synchronized. It's also there to help you with your coordination. So let's get started. I'm going to start the video right now. Just see if you get inspired by this, follow along if you want to, and we'll take it from there. Alright guys, whew, that was some workout. I hope that helped you out today. I hope you have an incredible day. If you have any questions about any of these, shoot me a message. Have an amazing day. May the flow be with you and stay legendary. I'll see you next time.